we have to do is a warm-up. Before you exercise, think about warming up your muscles like you would warm up your car. It increases the temperature and flexibility of your muscles and help you be more efficient and safer during your workout. A warm-up before moderate or vigorous intensity aerobic activity allows a gradual increase in heart rate and breathing at the start of the activity. The bird dog exercise is a core strength exercise. Your core is bounded by your pelvis, abdominal wall. Dead bug exercise is ideal for total core stability while improving contralateral limb engagement. Bird dog is a strengthening and endurance exercise that promotes the stability of your spine. The exercise helps teach you to effectively move opposing limbs in tandem while keeping your core stable and your back protected. And lastly, cool down. Cooling down after a workout is as important as warming up. After physical activity, your heart is still beating faster than normal. Your body temperature is higher and your blood vessels are widened. Cool down after physical activity allows a gradual decrease at the end of the workout routine.
Kilit pa! Ano ka? Huwag ka lang yap! Di ba? Donkey magkaon.